Properties of ionic compounds. To learn about the properties of ionic compounds, let us perform the following activity. So take samples of sodium chloride, potassium iodide, barium chloride or any other salt from the science laboratory. What is the physical state of these salts? Take a small amount of sample or a metal spatula and heat directly on the flame. Repeat with other samples. What did you observe? Did the samples impart any color to the flame? Do these compounds melt? Then next is try to dissolve the samples in water, petrol and kerosene. Are they soluble? Make a circuit and insert the electrodes into a solution of one salt. What did you observe? Test the other samples too in this manner. So what is your inference about the nature of these compounds? Means like, are they soluble? Do they conduct electricity? Do they impart color to the flame? Right. So from these activity we have tried to find these results. Then melting and boiling points of some ionic compounds. Sodium chloride melting point 1074, boiling point 1686 Kelvin. Lithium chloride 887 and boiling point is 1600. Calcium chloride 1045 Kelvin and boiling is 1900. Calcium oxide 2850 Kelvin and the boiling point is 3120 Kelvin. Magnesium chloride 981 and boiling point is 1685, means it's very high. So you may have observed the following general properties for ionic compounds. One is the physical nature. Ionic compounds are solids and are somewhat hard because of the strong force of attraction between the positive and negative ion. These compounds are generally brittle and break into pieces when pressure is applied. Melting and boiling points. Ionic compounds have high melting and boiling points. This is because a considerable amount of energy is required to break the strong inter-ionic attraction. Solubility. Electrovalent compounds are generally soluble in water and insoluble in solvents such as kerosene, petrol, etc. Conduction of electricity. Conduction of electricity through a solution involves the movement of charged particles. A solution of an ionic compound in water contains ions which move to the opposite electrodes when electricity is passed through the solution. Ionic compounds in the solid state do not conduct electricity because movement of ions in the solid is not possible due to their rigid structure. But ionic compounds conduct electricity in the molten state. This is possible in the molten state since the electrostatic force of attraction between the oppositely charged ions are overcome due to the heat. Thus the ions move freely and conduct electricity.